Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Khuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to make the very popular and super creamy and scrumptious mocktail Pina Colada. Come, let's get started. For making the Pina Colada, I have taken 1 cup of pineapple pieces and this is canned or tinned coconut cream. This is not coconut milk but this is coconut cream. This will be thicker than the coconut milk. Now to the pineapple pieces add 1 tablespoon of sugar followed by 1/8 cup of pineapple crush and coconut cream 1/4 cup. Now blend all these together into a smooth paste. Let some bits and pieces of pineapple pieces be there. Don't blend it too much. Let the pieces be there. Now it has been blended well. Now take a glass and add some 2 or 3 pineapple pieces and muddle them with a muddler like this way. To this add half a teaspoon of pineapple crush and you need to pour the pineapple coconut cream blend, 1 cup it is. Now you can add some ice cubes over them and pour 1/4 cup of coconut cream on top of it and drizzle some pineapple crush, about 1/4 teaspoon, and this is the cocktail umbrella. We just have to decorate it with some with a pineapple wedge and fresh cherry. Just have to decorate it this way and place a cherry on top and a straw. Now a creamy and yummylicious pina colada is ready to be served. Please try this recipe and let me know the feedback. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please write your valuable feedback in the comments box, which will encourage me to give you the best videos in the future. And if you like my recipe and my video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new uploads. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you all very much. With lots of love, Sana Khuram.